Hello chess lovers, welcome to the complete chess endgame masterclass. In the previous video I discussed one rule for key square, and the rule is if any pawn has crossed the middle of the board, then the pawn has got 6 key square. But if the pawn is still on his side of the board, then the pawn has only 3 key square. Now let me explain this with an example. So in this position you can see that the pawn on f5 has crossed the middle of the board. So according to the rule, the pawn on f5 has got 6 key square, and the squares are f6, g6, e6, f7, g7 and e7. So in this position if it is white to move, then white uses zugzwang to win the game. So the best move for white in this position will be to play f6, and after king to f8, f7, king to g7, and now white king gets the key square e7 and the pawn is promoted to a queen. And now you can understand that everything depends on the key squares. Now on the other side, if it is black to move, then black must allow the white king to get into the 7th rank. So after black played king to f8, in this position the best move for white will be to play king to f6, not f6, because after king to f8 if white goes for f6, then we have possibly this continuation, king to e8, and after f7 check, king to f8, and in this position there is no option available for white. In this position white have to play king to f6, and you can see that after king to f6 it is a stalemate. That's why after black played king to f8, the best move for white will be to play king to f6. And then we have king to e8, and now white will goes for king to g7, and white king gets the key square g7, and it is easily winning for white. Let's see another example. In this puzzle, white cannot make use of zugzwang position. White can only make a draw if black king defends the key square on the 6th rank. So after white played king to f5, we have king to f7, now king to g5, king to g7, f5, king to f7, f6, king to f8, king to g6, and now king to g8, and there is no way you can win the game. That means it is a draw. But on the other side, if it is black to move, then black loses control over the key square. So after black played king to f7, we have king to f5, now king to e7, king to g6, king to f8, king to f6, king to g8, king to e7, king to g7, and now f5, and the f pawn will be promoted to a queen, and it is easily winning for white. And now you can understand the importance of key square and how to control and defend key square. So that is all for this video. See you in my next video. Good luck.